Creating faceless videos for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok is easier than ever now. And to be honest, it's the best passive income method you can do in 2024 because channels like this are making thousands of dollars a month. However, what stops people from going viral and actually earning money on TikTok is when they pick the wrong niche. So, today I'm going to reveal to you the best niche to generate passive income with TikTok and YouTube automation. I've tried it myself and I'd say it's gone well for me, right? Typically, people spend thousands of dollars to get this kind of information through courses, but I'll provide it to you for free. So, be sure to pay attention. If you have the patience to watch this video until the end, you will have all the knowledge needed to start your own TikTok and YouTube automation business. No cap. In addition, I've discovered an AI that will create these types of videos for us in seconds. Doesn't that sound amazing? Today is a big one, guys, so you better get comfortable. By the end of the video, you'll be a YouTube automation expert. They call me Mr. Income for a reason, so let's dive right in. The viral niche I'm talking about, that is, consistently getting views, is the fake text story niche, just like these examples on screen right now.
Hi!
Hey, my pretty girl.
This is us.
Yes.
You're the black one because you're always moody. Us. Us.
Riz App says you should say, if we were cats, you'd be the love of my 9 lives.
If we were cats, you'd be the love of my 9 lives.
Oh, you're so cute.
This niche can have a little bit of competition, but it still performs really well in the algorithm because these videos tend to have really good retention and average watch time. But I know what you're thinking. How can I make these videos and make money with TikTok or YouTube? Well, in this video, I am going to reveal to you 2 methods to easily create these videos and have your own TikTok automation business. So, if you are a person who wants to create engaging videos with the minimal effort, I promise you this is your video. The first method will be completely free, but does require a lot of time and effort to create the content. On the other side, the second method does require payment, but cuts down all the time and effort. Make sure you watch the whole video to see both methods and stay until the end to discover the trick that made me have these results. Okay, so let's start with how to generate the scripts for these videos. What I like to do is find already popular text story videos with hundreds of thousands of views on TikTok because those videos were really popular. You know the script is going to be good, so I took those videos, downloaded the transcript, and then slightly added my own twist to it. So once you have your scripts, it's time to create the video that you can post on social media. The first step is actually finding the text story template, starting with the free method. For that, you go onto this website and select SMS messages. Here you can start inputting the messages. And once you've filled the page, you can click Download Image. Next, you need the voiceovers. For that, we're going to use ElevenLabs. When you sign up for ElevenLabs with a free account, you get 10,000 characters to try out. So select 2 voices that match the age and gender of the 2 characters in the script and start to generate their lines. What you need next is the background gameplay that you see throughout all the popular videos on TikTok. If you don't want to spend any money at all, you can find non-copyright gameplay videos on YouTube already. The trick is to find gameplay videos that are good quality but do not have a lot of views so that TikTok does not mark your video as non-original and download them through Y2Mate. Now you should have all the components to make your TikTok video. Head over to CapCut to edit it all together. As you can see, that was the free method. It works, but as you can see, it takes a lot of time and effort. And for me, time is money. I do not want to be spending 30 to 45 minutes each time to create one video. So luckily, I have found Vsub, a website that automates the whole process for you. Once you sign up and create an account, you can click on Fake Text Video. After that, the first step is to go to the settings. This is where you can change the voiceover for each character. I personally like to stick with the ElevenLabs voices. You can also change the name and the profile picture. Alongside that, you can also change the background template to add a bit of variety to it. So you've got WhatsApp, and of course you've got light mode or dark mode as well. After that, it's time to start inputting the messages. Adding right means you add messages that you are sending, and on the left is the receiver in the fake story. Or if you're lacking a bit of inspiration, you can always click Use Sample Data, and Vsub will create a story for you, which you can then adapt. Something that only this AI offers and is, without a doubt, the best thing I have seen is the script generator feature. We will only have to paste the link of a viral video, and it will automatically generate a similar script to go viral immediately. If I had known about this AI before, and also at such a good price. I would have monetized my channels much earlier and without effort. I'm going to do exactly that and use the script that Vsub AI is going to make for me. After inputting all your messages, you can click Create Video, and Vsub will transport you to the editing page where you can make your customizations. For example, you can click full screen and show just the text and no background gameplay. You can also add sound effects when the messages come up, which, as you know, leads to better view retention and a better performing video overall. To be honest, the settings are perfect. I've not had to tinker too much with what's going on, and Vsub automatically knows when to add the necessary features. One change I would really recommend you do is going to Tools and changing the background gameplay. As I said before, the background gameplay that Vsub gives you can be deemed unoriginal if it's used too often on TikTok. But this made my head explode. Say goodbye to TikTok not showing your videos for unoriginal content. Now Vsub has Gameplay Marketplace, where you can buy unique gameplays with credits to put as background, and no one else can use if you buy them. You no longer have any excuse to not be viral. After that, if you have no more edits to do, you can click Download. Let's see exactly what Vsub cooked up for us.
Dad, Mom said you're in the military.
That's correct, my snugglebug.
Dad, I'm not a child anymore. Don't call me like that.
Okay, Hannah Banana.
Did you have to get pepper sprayed in your eyes?
No, but I had to do a lot of physical training.
How often will you call me?
I don't know yet. I'll let you know when I find out more, but no promises, honey.
And what about our family calls every week and our daily chats?
You will still have those calls with your mom, but I might not always be able to be there. I'm sorry, Hannah.
That's okay. I know it's not your fault. You're the real hero now.
I am, honey. I have to go now.
Okay.
I'll call you when I have more information.
Good night, Dad.
Good night, my snugglebug.
Hi, Dad. Do you have any news for me today?
I got my uniform.
My love, I'm so happy for you. Send me a picture, please.
I can't, I'm sorry, but pictures or calls are not allowed at this time.
Oh, okay. Have you texted Mom?
I did, but something kicked me off the family chat, and I can't get back in.
Oh, we'll fix that later on. How does the uniform look like? Camouflage?
Nothing special, honey.
I have to leave.
No, my snugglebug. Why?
And if you keep calling me like that, I'll start calling you Papa Bear again.
Ha ha ha. Go ahead. Goodbye, Hannah.
Bye, Papa Bear. Oh, never mind. I can text a little longer.
Hooray, what about the college?
Great, Dad. I met a guy there and I really like him.
Oh, really? Just wait till I tell your mom. Ha ha.
As you can see, Vsub is a paid service, so the quality is miles better, and it was done in a fraction of the time that it takes to do it myself. So if you're like me and don't want to spend hours creating videos from scratch, Vsub is perfect for you. The lowest plan starts from just $29 a month, giving you 5,000 credits per month. And not just that, if you include the code on screen, you get 10% off. You can check out Vsub by the link in the description and in the pinned comment. I'm not any more special than you are. And not just that, I have a little deal in place. This is how it works. You subscribe and hit the bell notification button, and in return, I promise to consistently deliver weekly TikTok advice videos straight to your YouTube feed. Sounds good? See you in the next one.